Today, Anu, I've got such bad network issues that I'm just getting cut off.
Don't worry.
Yes,
So,
otherwise I'm always there.
yes. So
Happy
you're
to show
still there.
myself.
You're
Right.
Yes.
still there, very much. So what we'll do is we'll start off. It's 9:30, and we will start off with Benaifer, just to let everybody know why we do these talks in the evening. I just feel that the whole day people collect a lot of garbage in their system. Right now, the way we are going in our life, everything still seems uncertain. It's more than 4.5 months, and we are sitting inside our houses and really crammed up in the little spaces. I'm hoping with this program in the evening, we open up the shutters of our mind and we don't get crammed up in our head, because a physical space can be a complete representation of our mind space. And sometimes when we feel that we are like in a train compartment with, all our loved ones right there, right above me and right below me. I'm talking metaphorically. Literally, at times, I've felt that my loved ones, I love them to bit, but there are times when you need that space, because no matter how much you love people, they otherwise God would have kept us inside our mother's womb. I'm very sure of it, and never taken us out, because that was the safest place for us. The reason that he took us out and made us independent is because that's what we need to be. And right now, I am very much struggling with my personal space. I really feel I love my loved ones. Like I said, I feel I'm traveling in a compartment of a train. I don't even feel I'm going in a flight, in a compartment in a train where, you know how you have these slippers where you have one berth and then above another berth. So I feel my children are right above me. Above that is my husband sitting. And maybe below me, there is my friend sitting. And on the side, there is someone else. And literally, there's no space. And I'm sure many of you can identify with what I'm talking right now. And when I'm talking about space, I'm talking about, if I'm sitting with my mom and I just want to have a chat, can I get that time to myself? Can there be no interference of, ab koi jaake khana bana raha hai, now someone is doing something else and someone is doing something else. And it feels to me as if either we are at beck and call of our own desires, or we are at the beck and call of other people and what they want to do. And in this beck and call, I am feeling completely exhausted physically and mentally. And if I, after being so positive, all that things that I do, can feel like this, I cannot even imagine people who are sitting up in their own small spaces, how they are feeling. Uh, Someone has joined in. Archana, you'll have to mute yourself, sweetheart. Yeah, okay, wonderful. So we'll start with Benaifer, and let's first just open up this Kaudi reading with this intention. Why is this crammed up space there for everyone? I'm presuming it's there for everyone. And how can we help everyone on this forum, including people who are on the Facebook, to get back their space? What should they be doing? Because I really lost today as to what should we be doing. I actually ran from my house and came to my mom's house. Not ran, I planned it out. And I thought I'll get time here. But 3 hours after that, everybody was here. My children, my husband, my dog, everybody was here. So I sat down and laughed. I said, I never realized I'm indispensable right now. Okay, so Benaifer, over to you. If you can first lay out Kaudis for why are we feeling so crammed up, and what
Okay.
can be done to get out of this crammed up space for everyone.
Sure.
If anybody on Facebook has any questions, you can definitely ask us. Over to you. Okay, got to really mute this.
So, Anu, I am getting that why we are feeling cramped up right now is we are not counting our blessings. Though we have a lot going on, and it's come also beautifully on the side section of the family. that we have family, we have people who love us, we have people to communicate. There are people who are all alone, maybe senior citizens who are all alone, women, men, whoever is all alone, maybe a child who is alone in the isolation ward. So what about them? They have nobody there with them. Like, it is so important. The touch is so important, as you always say. So we have that with us, we have that with our family. So instead of seeing what we have, we are always seeing what we don't have right now. We are always so busy complaining that we've forgotten to see and appreciate our own selves, even, and our own family. And that is what is tearing us apart even more than what we already are. So we just have to integrate ourselves, I feel, and bring back that happiness, that at least we are safe, we have a home to live in, we have food to eat, we have a family that we can even talk to.
Absolutely. I agree
So
with
that
you.
is important.
So maybe all of us together, wherever we are, can say this to ourselves. I'm really happy today that I have a family. I'm really happy today that I can touch them and feel them. I'm really in gratitude that I get my food and I get everything that means comfort and security to me. And I'm really, really blessed that I meet all of you today evening here. Thank you, Vinay, for that lovely. Let's take out the first message for Niyati. Niyati, you have any question for Vinaifa specifically so that she can remove your cloudies? No. Okay. So just go ahead and a
Nothing.
gentle one.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I could see your head nodding. Today we have beautiful 4 guests. We have Niyati Shah, who's a sex educator. We have Aarti Desai, who is an animal whisperer. We have Binaifa, who is doing Kaudis for us. And we have, I am really, really blessed to represent, we have a representative of Japan today here, who's staying in California. Unfortunately, I don't know how to say her name properly, and I'm sure she will forgive me for that. Um, the beautiful part is that it was my desire from the bottom of my heart that Japan has to be represented. And I am so, so, so honored that she is here today. So we are sitting across, connecting with the whole world right now. Though she's from Japan, she is sitting in California. So you can just imagine how many places we are covering right now. So yes, Binaifa, over for Nayati.
Yeah. Niyati, for you, I'm getting a beautiful spiritual journey opening up. So go ahead with that and don't let family or maybe responsibilities of family bog you down for this journey, because you might feel that, okay, if I move ahead in this way, how would I, set my family life, or will that be affected? So certain questions like that might pop up in your mind, but that's okay. It's going to be a beautiful blend. It's going to be a beautiful union where you can blend in spirituality with your family and it's not going to affect you. And whatever you're doing, if you are doing any chants, if you're doing any meditations, please continue that, because that is going to bring you to a deeper state of stillness, to a more grounded life where things might flow to you with more ease than it already is. And I'm also getting um, flow of money coming in your way. So be wise of how you're spending and how you're saving. And if you have somebody who you can really trust, as far as any like basically like a source of wisdom, that you have a person who you can trust, so like be close to them and just follow their advice, because there are people who really want to guide you well, and you can follow their advice. Thank you.
Thank you
Wonderful.
so much. Thank you, Vinay.
Thank
She's
you.
amazing. Binaifa, you are just amazing. Let's
Thank
go
you.
to, can you tell me how to pronounce your name? Kaz you, Ka, Can you pronounce? Can you help me, please?
Kazuyo.
Kazuyo. Thank you. So can we read for Kazuyo, please?
Sure.
Thank you. I really apologize for my disability. I've written it in Hindi so that I can say it properly. Now I won't miss it.
Okay. Hi, Kazuyo. For you, I'm getting a beautiful journey where things with family is going to improve a lot. Maybe somebody new is going to be added, or if you feel that you've ever had some issues with a family member, it's going to be a good reunion for you. If there is some marriage in the pipeline in your family, then that is possible, or a new birth is possible. Something new is showing in your family which is going to turn up. And also you're going to see things from a different perspective. You're going to really grow, whereas perception is concerned, where you will get this ability where you are not just one track. You will be able to do a lot of things in varied ways, so you'll have a lot of expansion in that way. And you will be opening a lot of your receiving. So wherever you've thought that, okay, it is difficult for you maybe to accept a compliment or accept money from somebody, so that is going to open up for you very beautifully, because a lot of karmic issues are just being sorted out right now for you. Whatever you've been doing, continue to do that, and things are going to open up a lot for you. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much. That sounds very, very fit into what I have been really visioning. So that's fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. That was brilliant. And if we can have reading for Aarti.
Yes. Hi, Aarti. Any questions?
Hi, no question.
Okay. Okay, so Aarti, for you, overall, I'm seeing a beautiful balance coming into your life where you are going to be happy from within. That inner happiness is slowly going to come out, which you have not been able to do for a long, long time. So that is going to come out. So just enjoy that, be happy, be open, and work on releasing some patterns which are not suiting you. Some patterns where you feel that it could be a block in your progress, it could be a block in your receiving, because there is a lot of abundance waiting to come in your life, but maybe because of certain patterns where it is tough for you to receive, maybe receive happiness, maybe receive compliments, maybe receiving that you're even good in your work. That you're good in your work, so don't feel shy about that. Just accept it with an open heart, because you're good. So there are no two ways about it. So do that, and everything slowly will fall into place. And if you feel that there is still some blocks as far as family is concerned, relationships are concerned, start some chanting, start some focused prayer, where those barriers will also break down. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much. I resonate with it completely.
Thank you.
Binaifar, if you can do one for the whole group. The energy feels better now. Teji is asking for a reading.
Yes. Should I do one for her, no?
For her brother, for Teji's brother. He is very unwell.
Okay.
Hi, Binaifar.
Hi,
Binaifar. Today, one reading for my brother. Actually, since yesterday, he's not able to lift his left arm and he's not able to walk correctly. His leg is not moving. Can you do a reading?
Okay.
All the strength to your brother. Let's do a little prayer at the end of the session for your brother.
Thank you so much, Anu.
Yeah.
Okay, so Teji, he is a little unwell. I'm sure he will get well soon, but he needs a lot of prayers. He needs to really de-stress himself. If he's worried about money, just you need to talk to him and tell him that everything is gonna be all right. If he's either about to receive money and it's not coming, or anything finance related, it's possible that he's stressed about that. So maybe as a family you can talk to him and tell him that things will be okay, and definitely prayers are required. So he will be fine very soon, I'm sure. So all the best to him and your family.
Thank you so much, Vinayfar, and to all have a very happy Friendship Day to everyone in the group.
Thank you. Same to you.
I am so happy. I can see a very good friend of mine, Uta Hamas, on the Facebook, and many other friends. But I would like to mention Uta because she was the one who taught me how to use the antenna, like her antenna, for the first time. Completely indebted to her. Helena is there from Finland. Uta is there from Switzerland. So or Geneva, I think I don't know where she is right now, to be really honest. And there's Usha. There are beautiful people. Sheetal. I really thank each and every one of you. Suman, every one of you, to be around and to support us in whichever way you can. Thank you. Let's go for the whole group reading. And when I say the group, I'm talking about even people who are sitting on the Facebook right now across the world. Vinayfar, just want you to know you're doing a brilliant job and has been with us for the last 70 sessions. I've stopped counting actually. She's done every session she comes and sits down and talks to people, and that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Your efforts are completely acknowledged. Thank you, Vinayfar.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much. I enjoy doing that. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
for the whole group, I have got that we still need to work a lot with our family, because again the block has come on the family. There's a flow which is blocked, and we are blocking that flow in certain ways. So we need to find that inner happiness. We need to find that receiving as far as our family is concerned, and the giving. So we need to balance that out, and once that is done, everything will start improving. It's just like a test for us, and how we are with our own families, that we can maybe spend hours with our friends, but why aren't we able to spend just a few hours with our family? What is so tough about that? So maybe that's our learning. It's like
I
a
wish we
first
could do a
learning.
meditation for this or something to clear it up. It would be brilliant. Let's see what can happen.
Let's do that, Anu. One day, just do an EFT session just for this clearing.
I'm itching to do that.
Yeah.
I'm itching to do that. I just might do that.
You know
at
what?
the end of
How
the
you
session
used to do
today.
that initially?
At the end of the session
we
today,
had
no
started
tomorrow.
with that.
No, the problem is today we sort it out today at the end of the session. If everybody is ready to sit with me, yes, we do it at the end of the session. Okay, so thank you so much, Vinayfar. Really thankful to you. And we go to the next guest.
Thank you, Anu.
And I had to really drag my next guest because she doesn't